Welcome to the Altair Global Student Contest. We are Team Ayodhya presenting the topology optimizations of a rocker arm. A rocker arm is a centrally pivoted lever in the valve train of an engine that converts the motion of the rods to open the valve. The first step is to import the CAD model into the Inspire software. We can see the CAD model is successfully imported now. Let's join the parts with the help of a joints and fasteners tool situated in structure panel. Next, we have to apply material to the model using material selection command. There we have to select steel AISI 304 material. Now let us measure the initial mass and it is 2.62 kg. Now in the next step we are using partition command from the geometry toolbar which allow us to easily divide the geometry into distinct regions. Now we are going to apply supports to the fixed points and apply the loads in the desired directions. Here you can see the supports and the load is applied to the component. Further, we will use to analyze command to observe the variation in component under the apply load. The result will be displayed for the factor of safety, displacement, maximum shear stress and wound mass stress. Here, the factor of safety is 3.6. The mover factor of safety tells us that the component is over-designed, so we can optimize it up to acceptable range. Now, in the next step, we will select design space to assign design and non-design area. And using the symmetry toolbar, we will give the symmetry so that final optimized component will be symmetrical. Let us optimize the component using optimization command. Here we will be selecting the safety factor and the thickness constant. Here we have to select the minimum safety factor and the thickness constant. Now we have to wait for a while to complete the optimization process. During the optimization process, the material gets removed from the design space only and non-design space remains as it is. Once it is done, we can see the final component with a reduced and sufficient amount of the material. Now you can observe the final component and analyze it again to check the factor of safety, displacement, wound mass stress and maximum shear stress. Here the displacement is very less and factor of safety is 1.2, which is up to acceptable range. Now by using fit, wrap and bridge like tool located in the polynubs, we can simply fill our geometry. Polynubs provide a smooth and finished surface to the component. This is our final optimized component. It is safe and looks aesthetically good. These are our result. You can see there is a successful reduction in a mass from 2.62 kg to 0.408 kg with safe factor of safety 1.7.